Hi everybody, I'm iNimbleSloth.
And I'm iNimbleSloth.
And we've got a new kind of thing we're going to play with from Tinmouth software, or Tinmouth, I don't know how you say it. Let's open this up. First, health and safety. Be careful with knives.
Okay.
I can't stab it. Okay, let's try and get into this package. Through here.
What are you doing?
Oh, you don't know what it is? What am I doing? I'm opening. You don't know what this is, do you?
Who?
You. You have an
what?
inkling.
Oh, yeah.
I need to do this.
I have a vague idea of what it is because you told me it.
I told you sort of. Okay, so let's put the knife away nice and safely. Okay, so let's have a look in here. Oh, what is in here?
Bubble wrap.
A bubble wrap of nothingness. Oh, this looks like this could be something interesting. Let's have a look. So, by the way, this looks like, yes, this is all the chips in here. So what we're going to make, Harrison, is a replica ZX80 computer.
Cool.
There's the all the chips. We have a lead to connect it to the TV.
Cool.
We have... This looks like an audio lead, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Like a pair of headphones, but on each end. Why do you think that would be?
Because I don't know.
Because before the days of USB sticks, so before the days of this, let me just get one. Before the days of this, you had one of these and connected it to a tape player. Okay, or a recorder. What have we got in here?
You're holding it too high.
I'm holding it too high, sorry, I can't see the screen. We have got more components, so resistors, capacitors, more bubble wrap. This will be a power supply of some description.
That's a big lot.
Oh, that's nice, isn't it? Power supply, a UK adapter, and a European adapter. When I go to Austria, I can take that with me. Fantastic. Ooh. What's this? This is some Perspex with holes pre-derailed. There you go. It's got some cover on it, so we can pull that back later. What else is in? Oh.
Instructions.
Oh.
You're holding it so high.
Sorry, I'm holding it so high. That's the computer motherboard.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, I hope you didn't record my name and address on there. So that was at the top.
Keyboard, little keyboard.
Oh, yeah. Okay, so let's have a look. These are the keyboard layouts. Oh, aren't they sweet and dinky? Okay.
Tiny.
This is, oh yes, this brings back memories of my childhood. That's the keyboard, that's the membrane.
Cool.
So that will stick down on the front of that Perspex.
Is that the actual keyboard?
Yeah, that's the actual keyboard. So that's going to stick on there like this.
Do them buttons work?
Yeah. Do you want to touch
Can
it?
I press them?
Yeah, put your fingers in. Ready? I've got the phone. You don't feel much. Okay, you got it? Take the phone back. You got the phone?
Yeah.
So that will be stuck on this Perspex like that. Let me try and get this board.
Is it like a touch?
It's like a little membrane button. That will go on top of that part of the Perspex with all the components on. So we are going to have to... these can stick over the top as well if you want to change it for a more authentic ZX80 look instead of the ZX81. So we're going to have to do a video on this. I think what I'm going to do is time-lapse the construction. So it'll just be boom, 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 and then we'll finally do it. And here we've got how to make it by the look of it. Instructions, destructions. Is it just a single sheet? I'm trying to see if it's just a single sheet. It looks like more, but hold on. No, it's just a single sheet. So what have we got? All of the list of capacitors,
making my arms
the resistors, it won't be much longer, all of the chips, semiconductors, connections and switches, the layout of the board, additional circuitry over the original ZX80, and the circuit diagram of the whole thing. So, next section of the video will be us, or me building it. Do you want to have a go building it?
I don't know.
I don't know. And then we can get onto powering it up and having a game.
Yes.
So, bye for now.
Bye.